Are you a small business owner struggling to get more leads, more web traffic, and more all-important conversions? Are you a mortgage broker, realtor, or insurance broker trying to grow your customer base through the power of social media but can't seem to get it to work? Then you need Surefire Marketing's Social Media Gold Course. Don't waste your hard-earned money paying a consultant who promises the world but delivers next to nothing with your social media. Discover the secrets to success yourself and see your profits grow through proven, targeted social media strategies developed for all leading social media platforms, including Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Instagram. This is exactly what our Social Media Gold Course will deliver. The man behind it is Russ Jones, a veteran internet marketer for over a decade who will show you how to get a critical advantage over your competitors so you can enjoy financial freedom. During the course, you'll be given the skills and resources you need to achieve tangible results with your social media accounts. More leads, more clicks, more customers. This includes the 9 essential social media templates you need to start using now. Top performing landing pages pre-built for you. A 1-hour sales training webinar with marketing legend Jay Abraham. Powerful sample ads tailored to your sector. You'll also learn how to effectively set up your ad campaigns, how to generate high-quality leads for pennies, how to create social media ads that get seen and get clicked, how to get sponsors to pay for your ads. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. Empower yourself to transform your business today. Sign up for Surefire Marketing's Social Media Gold Course right here. Go to www.socialmedialeadsystem.com.